Hello, everyone. I am Trent Lazard, and I'm here to talk about how to properly perform the broad jump and its purpose. The broad jump is an assessment tool that is used to test horizontal displacement. This is useful in a variety of sports. This tool is even used in the NFL Combine to offer more information on the athletic abilities of its athletes. This may seem like a relatively easy test, but there are multiple factors that come into play to achieve the furthest distance possible. Factors such as body mechanics, connectivity, and lower body strength all play a role. This test requires full extension and rapid hip flexion in order to attain maximal jump. Some of the materials that you will need for this test are a form of tape and a tool to measure distance, such as a tape measure. The tester should first draw a straight line marking the starting point. From the starting point, the tester should measure out distance to give the participant a visual idea of how far they are jumping. Before ever starting the test, the athlete should confirm that they have the necessary range of motion to properly and safely perform the test. Tight hamstrings and hip flexors tend to lower their range of motion. To actually perform the test, the athlete first starts in the power position. The athlete performs the jump beginning with a rapid counter movement action. The hip should remain slightly higher and further back than a normal athletic or power position to allow for maximal horizontal displacement. The athlete should use arms as well to drive themselves further. The arm movement should be in sync with lower body, which is why connectivity is important in this test. As the athlete explodes forward, they should be in full extension and then rapidly retract arms and flex hips as they land. The athlete should be sure to land evenly and not fall back. The athlete can fall forward, but the test is measured by the body part furthest back. If both feet land without falling backwards, it is the back of the heels that will be measured. The test should be performed 3 times with the furthest attempt being counted. Each time the athlete performs a successful jump, the jump should be marked so that the athlete can see it. This visual cue will allow for the ability for the athlete to jump further because they have a point to visually overshoot. The athlete can fall if they cross the line before they jump or if they move their feet once they land. Common errors include the athlete does not jump at the correct angle or the athlete jumps and falls back. This concludes the review of the broad jump test. Thank you for watching.